Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure your iPhone and the TV are powered and on the same Wi-Fi network so they can discover each other. Once done, check for any pending iOS or TV firmware updates and install them. This prevents pairing errors. Then swipe to open Control Center and tap the remote icon. That launches Apple's TV remote interface. You are now ready to begin pairing so the devices can trust each other and exchange commands. You will next pair the iPhone to the TV. Tap your TV name in the remote list. The TV displays a 4-digit code. Enter that exact code on your iPhone when prompted to confirm the connection. Make sure you allow local network access and Bluetooth if the prompts appear. Those permissions let the remote send commands reliably. If you use an Apple TV, signing into the same Apple ID speeds things up. Once paired, the remote shows playback and navigation controls. You can now use the touchpad for navigation, play /pause for media control, volume buttons if supported, and menu or home to exit apps. If commands lag or drop, first toggle Wi-Fi on your iPhone and wait a few seconds. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled and restart both the TV and iPhone if needed. If pairing fails entirely, remove the TV from the remote list and repeat the pairing sequence. Doing this clears stale entries and resolves most connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.